just apply just a couple of drops to the fingers first, and then just gently apply along the lower part of the face, from the nostrils under the cheekbone towards the ears, chin area, and also not forgetting the jawline and the neck. So first of all, I'm just going to take my fingers and we're just going to do just a couple of gentle presses just above the collarbone. And then with the fingers, I'm just working my way in an upwards motion, slight massage, heading towards the neck. And then once we get to the ears, let's just massage down this big SEM muscle. So we're losing sort of any tight tension within the face. And you want to keep the face nice and relaxed. So lovely, gentle massage down the neck here. And then also a little bit behind the ears. And then on the other side, just massaging towards the ears from the collarbone, upwards from the neck. And then just massage down this big SEM muscle. And then behind the ear as well. Now with the fingers, I'm just going to massage again, just the side of this muscle here, because we hold a lot of tension in the neck. If we hold tension in the neck, we're going to get tension in the face. So I want this nice and relaxed. All the way down. If you get a little couple of tender points, or you feel a bit stressed in one part, it might be a bit gristly, just give it a little extra massage out. And then down to the collarbone. And then just again massaging, starting from the neck first. And then the other side. So now I'm placing my thumb under my chin, fingers above, and we're just gently massaging in a round circular motion. Just on the chin, and then slowly working our way along. And whatever product you've placed on your skin, it's actually really going to help and penetrate in even deeper. Now when it comes to this masseter muscle here, particularly by the side of the ears, if you feel a bit of, again, a little bit more tenderness, or if you feel something's a bit gristly, just give it a little extra massage out. All the way to the ears. Let's just do this one last time here. Getting a good massage. And trying to lift up also the corners of the mouth, just a tiny bit, so you're lifting everything up, not dragging everything down. Again, really good massage. So now I'm going to place my fingers almost in a fish shape, and we're going to lift up and hold, up and hold. So working along the jowl and also the nasolabial folds and smile lines, and then just gently glide along to the ears. Now I'm going to take my fingers now into a sort of a zigzag shape, and we're just gently going to start working our way along those smile lines towards the nose and the nostrils, and then work in a different direction. Lots of different directions. And all along the lower part of the face. What we're doing here is we're actually releasing any tight fascia within this area. And if you feel a hard, almost like slightly lumpy section, perhaps where the fascia is slightly tighter, just give it another little extra massage out. Up to the nostrils, and then all along the lower part of the face. It's a fairly light touch, not too heavy-handed. and then take the fingers and then just flick up from the jawline towards the nose in an uplifting motion. Jawline, we're just going to lift up with the other fingers, the other hand, and we're just almost in a sort of a lovely little massage, working towards the cheek in an upwards motion. And again, whatever product you've placed is really going to help penetrate in even deeper. And then on the other side, placing the fingers as an anchor. And now we're just going to massage these either side of the nostrils here. And this is where a lot of smile lines start developing as they come down here. So we're just giving this a good massage and releasing, again, any tight tension. And then swoop down under the cheekbone towards the ears, working underneath. A light to medium touch on this. And then with the fingers lifting up and just gently glide towards the ears. And what we're doing here now is we're actually moving toxins and waste within the lymph. And the lymph is very close to the surface of the skin, so a nice delicate touch. And we're moving it literally all the way along to the ear area. And then if you can just take the fingers into a V shape, and then either side of the ear, we're just going to just give it a little gentle massage downwards. And then again, starting from under the ear, heading towards the nape of the neck along the occipital bone. Again, another gentle massage, round circular motions, releasing any tight tension. Keeping the face nice and relaxed. And then when the fingers are touching, if you can just again gently glide down this big SEM muscle, down towards the collarbone. And then from the chin all the way down, beginning point, if you like, where our collarbone is, just above, a couple of indentations. And if you can just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste within the lower part of the facial area into the body, ready for elimination. Now, I will place another video here. If you'd like to join me there, that'll be great. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, and a thumbs up if you found the video useful. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.